Jesus, he's working on a 2020 Mercedes CLA. I don't know, Jesus, what are you working on? What are you doing on this CLA?
Doing 20%, regular, it's a regular tint. She can't get the front two. Already got the windshield, back already all tinted. Yeah.
Welcome back. It's the next day here at the Tint Factory. Today we're gonna be working on teaching our sponsorship class. We were able to get funding from people from our community. We were able to gather, I forgot exact amount, but anywhere from $25 to $3,000 worth of contributions, and we were able to purchase all the tools for the students. We bought heat guns, clay bars, blades, everything, top to bottom for our students. So let's get straight to our class and stay tuned.
My name's Salvador. I'm from Stockton. I'm 20 years old, and then this is the first day on the tint class by Eddie from the Tint Factory.
My name is Alan. I'm 18. I'm from Sacramento, and today we're wrapping this Prius.
My name is Mario. I'm 17 years old, and I'm from Oakland, California, and we're here with the Tint Factory at the class that you guys sponsored for us. Thank you for you guys for that, and we're here wrapping the Prius.
My name is Andy. I'm 18. I'm from Concord, and we're wrapping this Prius right now, and yeah, we're learning a lot of new things.
My name is Jair. I'm 18 and I'm from Concord, and today we're wrapping this Toyota Prius.
So I'm Daniel. I'm from Hayward. I'm 19 years old. We over here wrapping this Prius right now. Just got done wrapping the quarter panel. So far, it's a pretty cool experience. I always want to learn how to wrap. Not just learn how to, put the vinyl on everything, but just give good quality product. And it's good to finally learn exactly how to do that. And I don't know, hopefully, probably you'll see me in my own wrap business too.
If you're having to stretch it to the point where you're feeling like it's too much, it's probably too much. Alright. So put it like this, wrap can only get stretched to 10% for it to not try to constrict. However, you are allowed to stretch it over the limit. I've stretched it well over the limit and it doesn't constrict. Really comes down to how much pull you're giving it. But realistically, you shouldn't go over 10% of your original pull. And open the door handle.
The owner is not gonna feel it.
No.
But like it was that we know.
No, you know. And honestly, bro, a lot of the times I notice like the mistakes that you do, you notice them a lot, and it bothers you because you did it. Yeah. You feel guilty. It's something about it. I feel like you feel guilty about it, and even though it's so minor.
I feel good.
Exactly like this. Exactly like this. You know it's there because you did it. However, if say the client came and picked the car up, honestly, most of the time clients, they come in and they're so hyped that they don't even pay attention to something like that, especially being so minor. I'm not telling you that you should be sending out bad jobs like this. However, something so small and minuscule, you just overstress it because it's you, because you know it's there. However, your client, they're gonna come pick this up and they're just gonna tell you that the car, it looks awesome. All right, we're back. It's day 2 here for our sponsored youth class. Honestly, they've been doing pretty good. We'll catch back up with them in a second and see how they're doing. However, today we have a treat for you guys. Here we have a 2006 Pontiac GTO that has quite some power under the hood. Stay tuned. When we finish tinting this, we're going to come back and we're going to show you guys what's under this hood. All right, day 2. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Looking more confident?
Yeah, that's been a big help.
All right, what kind of improvements do you feel like you've been doing the past 2 days?
Just everything all around, just my cuts, fucking getting into little dips like that, and corners, everything Eddie, shout out Eddie for one time.
What are you doing right here?
Making a seam so that way when I wrap this, it's gonna be I gotta do 2 pieces, one at the bottom and then one at the top.
Anything that you feel that's different from vinyl wrap than what you thought it was gonna be?
Study.
Okay.
It's a lot easier, but to be honest, it's not hard.
Okay.
I mean, it's not hella hard, but it's a little thick.
What do you think you need for you to improve?
Some more of a steady hand.
Steady hand.
Yeah.
So that comes with what exactly?
Yeah, well, when I first was cutting, I was all over the place. I feel like I did improve a little bit in that,
Okay.
but I can still.
Let me ask you this: practice makes what?
Perfect.
Not true. Practice makes improvement. There you go. Set. Day 3. Our students, honestly, they did great. They're just finishing up the bumpers, post heating, some reassembly, and this car should be out of here. We're very proud of what our students were able to accomplish within these last 3 days, and we look forward to see what do they do with this new craft that they just picked up. So let's go check out and see what did they do. Day 3. How are you feeling?
Great.
What do you feel like you could improve on?
Definitely the curves. Something just kind of getting the handle of it, the hang of doing the curves.
Do you feel like you gained some knowledge after the course?
Oh, definitely a lot of knowledge.
So Mario, tell us, what are you working on right now?
Now I'm working on the
Okay.
doing 2-piece and the lid. It's kind of hard to get around it, and for my first time, I had to do a 2-piece due to these sensors and these lights.
Sweet. Is there anything different about vinyl wrap than what you thought it was gonna be like?
Kind of the flexibility and the use of like you know, it's crazy. Like if it creases, you heat it up, and it don't wrinkles. If you get a scratch, you heat it up, it goes away.
Okay.
There's a lot of new things that I'm learning.
What do you guys think about the class? What do you guys think about what you guys learned?
I feel positive.
Positive? It's a lot of information, isn't it?
Deeper than rap, so
I got way more like confidence when it comes to like handling the wrap too.
Yeah. You know, treat it. You know, I always say you could stretch it as much as you need to. Don't stretch it more than what you don't need to. You know, makes sense? I don't know if that makes sense. Don't overstretch. Wrap, you don't want to stretch no more than 10%. Usually that's the recommended. However, I don't know if you guys heard me earlier, but you can push it to the limits. I've done it myself where it's pockets and bumpers that they're deep and they require you to really like stretch it into the limits. It's fine. There's situations where you have to. Just come in after post heat. You know, post heat will definitely help you to not have any of that wrap constricting coming back. So how do you guys feel about going out tomorrow? Already you have wrap tomorrow and wrapping the hood.
I feel comfortable.
Good, comfortable, right? So this is why I tell my students, start off with wrapping hoods, roofs, small stuff, you know, things that it's not difficult for you guys to convince your client to come in to get something done, because it's a smaller dollar job. Of course, trying to convince a client to come in for a full wrap job, I mean, you're going into the thousands. So now it's gonna be a little bit more difficult for you to build up your clientele base, for you to just bring in full cars. Starting off, you guys should try to stick to doing smaller projects, roofs, hoods, chrome deletes, door handles, mirror caps, little things just to get your feet wet. Just get in the river before you dive in. Hoods, roofs, very simple. The roof, I mean, you guys saw, I mean, how long did it take you guys to wrap a hood today? Let's say an hour, top to bottom, right? Prep work, install, everything, top to bottom, about 1 hour, right? Even like I told you guys, even if you don't know nothing about the industry, make it seem like you know everything. Because if a client comes in, they don't know you just started, you know? So that's your job, to make it seem that way, you know? And like I told you guys, starting off, you guys should try to do fucking 20, 30 cars, roofs, hood wraps, get those out the way. You know, really get your squeegeeing tactics down, cornering tactics, cutting. Once you get that down, then move on to full cars. Or, I mean, shit, if you want to go balls deep and go straight to full cars, then do it. However, I would recommend that you guys do partials first, you know, or, you know, take it slow. Take it slow. I mean, you guys will see your growth. Only you guys will know how to determine when it's time to go in more or actually do full cars, or when it's time for you, like, you know what, holy shit, this is too much work, I need to quit my job. You know, so that comes down to how much money you guys make. I don't know what you guys make. What do you guys feel comfortable with making before you guys could step away from your actual full-time jobs, if that's what you guys want to do. I know, well, most of you guys are still in school. You guys are still younger kids. So, you know, focus in school. You know, finish your school, you know, but if school is not for you, then this is not a bad secondary option. You know, it's a good business. It's a lot of money. Man, I'm telling you, practice, whole lot of practice. Man, I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys. Let's hope that you guys actually make something happen. So, like I told you guys, we were able to gather these funds from people in our community. So, give back to them by doing something out of this. You know, they were willing to give their time. We put in their money, our time, for you guys to have, hopefully, jump into this industry and, you know, stay off the streets. You know, so let's make something happen, fellas. So we just finished up this wrap on this Dodge Charger. Stay tuned on the next video so you can see how this came out.